Let me show you how to install Algominr as well as set up your first project. So once you've downloaded the Algominr zip file from the website, you can just extract the folder within to anywhere you like, for example on your desktop. And then open this Algominr folder. Within the folder, you find the Algominr executable as well as an MT4 folder. Now this MT4 folder contains the MetaTrader 4 Expert Advisor. This Expert Advisor is used so that we can communicate from Algominr to MetaTrader 4. And communicating in this case means that we can export bar data from MetaTrader 4 as well as send trading signals from Algominr to MetaTrader. So to install this Expert Advisor, we go to MetaTrader 4, go to File, Open Data folder, go to MQL4, go to Experts, and now we just drag and drop this Algominr Expert Advisor into this folder and go back to MetaTrader 4. We go to Expert Advisors, hit right click, hit refresh, and now we should see this Algominr Expert Advisor. Now we just need to apply it to one of the charts. It doesn't matter which symbol it is, however, it should be a 1 minute bar chart. So we drag and drop this Expert Advisor to one of the charts. We make sure that we allow for live trading, and we make sure that we allow DLL imports. We hit OK, and we should be all set. So now we can go back to our Algominr folder and start the Algominr executable. Now this can take a minute to load. The program has grown in size quite a bit, so it might, depending on your computer, take a minute. So this is the new version. The easiest way to set up your first project is basically just use this big button to set up your new MetaTrader 4 project. So if we hit it, we will first search for the MetaTrader 4 connection, and when we have done everything correctly in the first step, we should now see that the connection is found. So we set the connection, and then we can import some symbols from MetaTrader 4 into Algominr. I select Euro US dollar and US dollar Japanese yen and hit import. Again, this step can take a while because Algominr needs to clean the bar data that it gets from MetaTrader 4. Once this bar data is imported, we can find it when we go to Instruments, MT4, and click on one of the symbols. Here we see the new instrument view, where we see a bar plot of the instrument as well as the live quotes up here. If we go to strategies, we can see that when we create a new project, it will automatically set up a new strategy template. In this first window, we can see some strategy settings as well as the live results once the strategy is actually trading on the market. The second tab contains the strategy logic as in previous versions of Algominr, and on this right side we see the strategy control. So now we can just train and test this strategy template, and on the simulation we find the backtest results. Now of course this is only a very basic strategy template and it is not profitable. However, once we have trained and tested the strategy, we can hit this deploy button, which will switch the strategy into live mode, as you can see here. And now it will start trading through MetaTrader 4 and your broker. If you want to stop the strategy, you can hit this stops button. It will close all trades that the strategy has opened, and the strategy will be moved back into development status.